Hello everyone, once again this is Crypto Project Review, and today we will be reviewing DHub. Is this token investable or is this token destined to fail, just like any other project? I've already looked into this project and I'm going to avoid it. I'm going to avoid this one big time. I'm not gonna touch this project. Continue watching the video and find out yourselves. Disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research. Let's get started. So DHub, Decentralized Entertainment Hub. So this is about entertainment. Again, we've covered project the other week about exactly the same. It was I think Netflix or something like that. It failed. See? Because they are taking on big companies like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and other. See, they will not get traction here. What they are trying to implement, those big companies can implement it easily. So this project is going nowhere. This will just hype and then die, and so many people will cry. So the Decentralized Entertainment Hub. So this is about entertainment. DHub is a blockchain's first, so every project they are the first. Every project they are the first. Aggregator and licensed producer of the original motion picture. No way Marvel or Disney will will allow these guys to stream their licensed products or their motion pictures. No way. There's no money here. And surreal gaming experience. This united ecosystem is all fueled with DHub tokens through ape source software and secured by cutting-edge blockchain technology. Vote, fund, and earn in variety of pioneering ways. So they've got the white paper. You can read through it. We'll open that one, and they've got audit. In audit, there's only two major things you need to check. Is the smart contract functioning as it is intended, and the security? So nothing much in the audit, to be honest. Whether your project is audited or not, it's not very important to me or to us. We're looking for a real world use case. So, see, we've reviewed all projects from other YouTubers which are paid puppet, and most of the tokens they've reviewed slumped. 98% of them slumped. They don't care about your money. I didn't care. Project owners pay them to promote their token, whether it's successful or not, or whether it's a scam or not. They will promote it. They don't care. Okay? Our channel, we review tokens for free. Whether you like it or not, we will review the tokens. We tell you if it's investable or not. So far, we only got two projects we recommend, and they are doing fine. But most of the project we say no future slump, as predicted, they do slump. So this token as well, we don't recommend this token. This doesn't have a future. No future for this token. Okay, so they've got the white paper there, so you can read through it, and then they've got the Excel sale as well. Okay, so we will look to that later. So DHub consists of three core zones. DHub Tornetopia, the ultimate gaming betting and P2E Utopias, play to earn Utopia. So this one is expensive development. So first they should have released the platform before offering the token. So what they are doing here is they are crowdfunding. Once the token starts to slump, they will abandon this project. We've seen this loads of times. The other week, 2 weeks ago, we've covered the gaming as well. And as I said, it says Netflix slump, abandoned. They will not continue. They are not going to fund this with their own wallet. No way. They have live, original motion picture production, pay-per-view events, and streaming aggregation. They are taking on Netflix here and Amazon Prime. Easy. Those guys can implement what they are trying to do. So this cannot get any traction at all. This will die. This will hype and die. The DHub token are exclusive in DApp currency and highly util governance token. So they use big words here to entice investors. So competitive game, single player game, casino, tournament, lottery. So these are promise. These are over promise. This is not going anywhere. See, wallet distribution total supply is 8 trillion. They have final supply 1 trillion. 1 trillion? Total supply is 1 trillion, 8 trillion. I mean 8 billion as of the moment. So this is meant to 8 billion. And then 1 trillion final supply. Operation wallet, Tame wallet. See? Liquidity pool, PancakeSwap listing, 1 BNB equals 200 DHAB. Private public pre-sale. A private sale will be hosted on the website at a rate of 1 BNB, 270,000 DHAB. Public pre-sale hosted on a launchpad at a rate of 1 BNB. Okay. So burnt wallet, DHAB tokenomics. So tokenomics. DHAB protocol charges 12% transaction fees, and it is distributed to 3 main features: token reflection to all holders, buyback, we call it the Robinhood system. So they've got Robinhood system now, and crypto collateral assets, rewards to be claimed by the holders from our reward tab. DHAB distribution 2%, buyback 4%, BNB distribution 4%, liquidity pool 2%, anti-dump measure. We've seen a lot of projects with anti-dump. They do dump, they do slump. There is no such thing as anti-dump. This is a useless mechanism. And they've got anti-whale measures. We've seen a lot of projects. They've got anti-whale. They do dump. There's no such thing as anti. This is a useless features. Okay. So they have DXL. So now we will go to the DXL. They say they've got partners. Okay. Yeah. So I cannot say any big guys there. Okay. And the team. So they've doxed their team. I'm not sure if this is real. See. Now we'll go to their DXL. Okay, so that's the DXL they have. In 14 hours, they will go live. Okay, so total supply. Okay, soft cap 4,000 BNB, hard cap 7,000 BNB. The other week, 2 weeks ago, we've covered the Pop Doge. The soft cap 7,000 BNB, 7,500 BNB, and the hard cap was 15,000 BNB. They've met it. They overhyped it. They overhyped it, and we predicted that token as well, that it will dump, and it was rug and pulled just the other day. It's slumped. It's gone. It will not recover. So many people lost money on that, guaranteed. So they want 4,000 BNB, and they want hard cap 7,000 BNB. Now, the minimum contribution is 0.2 BNB. And the maximum contribution is 150 BNB. This is insane. I mean, this is insane. Okay, so I'm not sure why DXL has allowed this one. Usually the maximum contribution is 50%. Okay, so this even if they will succeed, this will be filled with whales. You will cry with this one. This will dump straight away. 150 maximum contribution. No way. And the wallet will receive the 80%. I mean, the liquidity will receive 80%, and the 20% of the 7,500 will go to the developers of owner's wallet. See, so I'm going to avoid this project. This will be filled with wheels, and this has no future. No way. This the roadmap. I can't even say the roadmap. See, there is no roadmap, no future. You cannot see. This is just, they're making people a cash cow here. 150 BNB. That's insane. Okay, now we will look into their contract. The owner wallet has 45% of the total supply. See that? So I'm going to avoid this project. So many red flags. I'm going to avoid this one. I'm not going to invest, and I will not recommend this project. See? So thank you very much. See, look at this. So the comments says scam. It is a scam. See, it says 150 BNB for the contribution. Look at that. So avoid this project. To be honest, this is not a recommended project. This is not Fairlands at all, and it will just hype and then die. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and bell notification. Bye bye.